Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a follow-up video on Onyxcoin. I think I did around 1 week ago or something like that. So again, we are covering this coin in this video, and let's see what is happening with this coin and whether this pump will continue or not. So in my previous video, as you can see here, I think it was on 19th. So I covered somewhere around here, and it did actually went down, and there was a pretty good retest, as you can see here, on this level around 92 cent, and it also went below 85 cent, sorry, 0.8 cent as well, as you can see here. So that was not good still. Again, after it went up and it had a massive pump, so it has been going up ever since. And again, after hitting 4.7 cent here, we are in the correction and it has started to go up again. So what will happen after this? So before we come to this, let's see what actually happened. So we have a background why this actually pump continued. So looking at the coin, we had a pretty massive news. So as you can see here, we had XCN coming to a Kraken Pro with leverage of 20x. So this is a massive one because Kraken still is a pretty big exchange, and still it's pretty good one for the XCN. After that, we have a pretty massive hype, or you can say a pretty big news for the coin. So there is a possibility that we will see Onyxcoin or XCN on the Binance. So that is going to be a pretty massive one. So of course there is no official news as of now, but if it does happen, this is going to be a massive news for XCN. And again, there is a possibility that XCN could go above 1.5 billion, because if you look here, it did actually break 1 billion mark. So that is a massive achievement for XCN coin. Anyways, looking at after this, we have a pretty massive proposal. As you can see here, we have HTX market support for XCN part 1, and as you can see here, it was defeated. So basically community rejected this proposal, and after that they had this XCN market support, and this was actually successful, as you can see here. So this is the first proposal. So where, as you can see here, they were actually granting 1 billion XCN to HTX and Justin Sun, which is Tron CEO and founder. So they were basically giving HTX and Justin Sun staking and governance. So this would have been actually a pretty big blow to XCN governance, because I think this would have made a pretty good centralization in XCN ecosystem. So I don't think that this was a pretty good move, and as you can see here, the community did agree, as you can see. So the fight was pretty tough one, as you can see, with 444 million against 459. Again, these guys just won, so that was pretty good one. But again, after that, we had a proposal where we had 2 years lock up period, as you can see here, and they will be getting, HTX has acquired significant XCN over the counter to participate in the XCN ecosystem. So again, a massive buying happening from HTX, as you can see here. So this proposal will grant Justin Sun and HTX 500 million XCN to acquire with a lockup and settlement after 2 years. So that's pretty good, I think. And I think this is most likely why we had a massive, or why we saw a massive pump for XCN, most likely because of this, probably. Anyways, after that, this is going to actually increase, or there is a potential that XCN could be implemented to Tron ecosystem and something like that. So there's a big, I think this is a big move for XCN coin, and this will be probably good for the XCN coin, because Justice Sun is a massive deal in the crypto industry, if you know that. So anyways, I did actually keep the last news for the best. So as you can see here, we just made a pretty slight correction, and again it has started to go up. So now what we have is this one. So basically on 27th, as you can see here, they actually made this tweet where only 8 days remain until we unveil one of the most significant XCN update to date, featuring a brand new white paper and details for a new blockchain. So this means they are going to have a new blockchain, most likely layer 2 I'm not sure, but if it is a layer 2, I don't think that it is going to impact that much. But if they have anything, any other plan beside that, I think this is going to be a massive pump for XCN again. But this could be also the sale the news event as well. So this one is going to happen in we have around 27, so we can expect it on, I believe, I think on a 3rd or 4th Feb, as you can see here. So this pump, I think, will most likely continue, but we do need to break this recent high, which was around, as you can see here, we have 0.49 cent. As you can see here, we do need to break this high before we can continue. But again, XCN has been doing pretty awesome, and if you look here, ever since I believe hitting its peak, which was back in 2022, we have it has been, I think it's for the first time that we have broke above 1 billion. So I think this is a massive deal for XCN in general, and it is going to be pretty interesting to see what will happen from now on. So again, this was a pretty massive demand zone, a supply zone, you can say, as well as demand zone. So what I would like to see now is actually a retest at this price around this level, which is 18 to 12, because this retest could be crucial, because if we do hit this one, we most likely have a lot of orders waiting to be filled here, and we could actually go up again. But I think what could actually happen here, we could see another big leg up from here as well. So if it does break out, we will most likely go as high as 70, or we could actually go above that. But we do have a pretty good resistance as well. So if you look here, we do have resistance of, I believe, around 76, as you can see here. So that could be a sell zone. If you're holding this coin, again, it could be a pretty good sell zone as well. And we also have potentially around 52 to 56 could be another resistance that I'm looking at. But again, we have seen a pretty significant breakout from this level. So I think if it does continues to go up, we will most likely break out above these levels. Anyways, let me know what you think about this coin and whether the pump will continue or not. But I think this news is a pretty significant one. If the blockchain that they reveal is a big one, the coin will most likely go above 2 billion, even potentially 3 billion. But if it is a sale, if it is a sale the news, so we'll most likely see a massive dump, like of around correction of like 30 to 40% is a possibility. So it all depends on this news, and I think we do have another pump waiting to happen, because as they reveal more information on this news, the pump could keep coming. So that is something that you should keep in mind. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.